In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Slack. If you're considering removing your profile from Slack for any reason, whether it's to reduce online clutter or you're simply moving on to different communication tools, I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step. First things first, you will need access to your account, so let's begin by logging in to Slack through your preferred web browser. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace homepage. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture or a circle with your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should look for and select Profile and Account. This will redirect you to another page where you can manage various settings related to your Slack account. On the Profile and Account page, you will find several tabs. Locate and click on the one labeled Account Settings. It's usually situated toward the middle of the navigational menu. Once you're there, you'll see an overview of your account details. Scroll down until you find the option titled Deactivate Account. This is what you're looking for, and clicking it will guide you one step closer to deleting your account. A point to note here is, deactivating your account means you won't be able to access this Slack workspace in the future unless you reactivate it. Once you click Deactivate Account, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. It's essential to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do because, after deactivation, someone else could potentially take over your user ID in this workspace. Upon confirming, you will be asked to provide your password. Input your password correctly to proceed, and then click on the Yes, Deactivate My Account button. After doing this, a confirmation message will appear to let you know your account is deactivated successfully. By following these steps, you'll have permanently removed your account from Slack. It's a straightforward but irreversible action, so make sure your mind is made up before proceeding. If you have any data associated with this account that you might want to save, such as messages or files, don't forget to back those up before deactivation, as they might not be accessible post-deactivation. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Slack account. If later you feel like it was a mistake or want to participate again in that workspace, you'll need to be invited back by another workspace member. So, keep this option in mind if you might want to return. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Feel free to check out other how-to videos on our channel for more useful advice. Have a wonderful day.